Hey, welcome back guys. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath FX YouTube channel and India's biggest sale on the Flipkart Big Billion Days 2021, and on the other side, Amazon Great Indian Sale is already started. I have just purchased in early Flipkart Big Billion Days. This time it was 2 days early only. Some of the smartphones, not everything. In that I purchased this Poco X3 Pro with Qualcomm Snapdragon 860, and I just got it for 14,999. For that price, it's an amazing deal. Just blindly you can purchase it out if you are that kind of person who want only performance based smartphone. Without wasting any time, let's see the unboxing video. Just got delivered within one day after placing the order. The delivery was very fast since Flipkart Plus or what, I don't know, but it was very fast. Within 24 hours I got it, and let's break the seals and open the box. This is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 powered smartphone under 15,000, which is amazing. As you can see, you get the similar SIM ejector tool and the paperwork and the case. It's a TPU case, and here comes the smartphone itself. Let's unwrap it. It's cool. I have ordered this graphite back. You get steel, blue and bronze also, and in the box you get this 33-watt charger. At this price it's acceptable, more than acceptable I think, and the cable with accent, orange accent color. Use this cable to charge the smartphone if you buy it. And let me power on this smartphone, and do comment down below which is your wish list in this Big Billion Days 2020. Do comment down below guys, such that I will know which is your favorite smartphone. And comment to build quality. It's definitely better than Poco F1, but some of the Poco smartphones got glass build quality, but you have to make form factor normal and price lower. They have went with the polycarbonate back design. And here comes the air blaster and the secondary noise mic, and also the speaker grill. And the frame is made out of plastic only, and here is the volume panel up and down, and power button also included with fingerprint scanner. And the downloads, you get download speaker and USB types and the headphone jack. It's a flagship feature to have in any smartphone, the headphone jack. It's a boom. And this is a SIM ejector tool and SIM tray. And coming to like the display settings, you get here the 6.67 IPS LCD with 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. It's okay with 450 type of nits brightness in this smartphone, and HDR10 certified, and this comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. And it's good, smooth UI, but brightness is average in the sunlight. It's visible but not as great as AMOLED. And the main thing in the smartphone is the chipset used here, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 chipset. This with Adreno 640 GPU, you get very good performance here. Trio 485 gold core clocked at 2.96 GHz, which is really good in my opinion. This very powerful chipset in this price segment. If you throw any games, it will handle it with highest settings possible. That's the good thing. You won't get this kind of settings in any mid-range smartphone. That's the one smartphone that can cross the limits of the mid-range segment and give you the flagship experience, if not the better, like any high-end smartphone. Definitely for that price, it's a very good processor used in this smartphone. And coming to cameras here, the front megapixel is 20 megapixel used here, and the back side you get 48 megapixel Sony IMX582 with f1.8 and 8 megapixel ultra wide f2.2 and 2 megapixel depth and macro camera. And then coming to camera features, you get all the features which are included in Xiaomi, Redmi, Poco smartphones, including vlog mode, slow motion, time lapse, clone mode, long exposure. Those things are given in this smartphone. You can definitely try out those software features included with this hardware camera with the ISP used in the Snapdragon 860. And coming to software, here you get MIUI 12.5 with Android 11. This is a heavy custom skin of Android, and this MIUI is getting better day by day, and still we have some of the bugs, but it's acceptable for this price. And the connectivity is also very good here. You get very good speeds and carrier aggregation, but still it's a 4G smartphone, not a 5G one. And this is how the battery, coming to battery, you get 5160 mAh battery. It's a huge capacity battery. You get 1 day, 2 days also. If you are light user, if you play the games, you will be out of charge, and you can easily charge with that 33 watt fast charger, which is included inside the box for that 15,000 smartphone, which will charge very fast. And as I said, this is a very good powerful smartphone you can buy in this Flipkart Big Billion Days sale 2021, which is really good smartphone. This can outperforms any mid-range smartphones in the 15K segments. Yes, it comes with a LCD panel, but apart from that, everything is working fine in the smartphone. For the price of that 14,999, this is one of the amazing deal in this Flipkart Big Billion Days from Poco. If you don't like this kind of UI, you can try it out other smartphone deals. I will be explaining those things in other upcoming videos. If you are first time to this channel, hit down the subscribe down below and also follow the bell notification by pressing the bell icon. I will be making similar kind of videos, even the custom ROM videos on certain smartphones and tech related videos. If you are still not subscribed, subscribe it, and if you like the video, give it a like. And just I got it for this 14,999. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 860 smartphone at that price. It's an amazing deal. The 120Hz refresh rate of LCD. Yes, it's LCD but not AMOLED, but still it's very good quality panel used here in the Poco X3 Pro. It's really good, and definitely if you are looking for that kind of smartphone, powerful smartphone in this budget, this is the one to buy. Thank you for watching. See you with another interesting video. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.